Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to submit a ticket on NameCheap. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then select contact us. Now select submit ticket. Now you need to scroll down and select your departments from one of these options right here, and after selecting one of these you just need to select it like this and then select on next button. Now scroll down, fill all of the general information, abuse case information, account ownership information and your message to the customer service. And after filling all of these details, you just need to select on this button like this, select on I am not a robot and then select on submit. And that's how you guys can successfully submit a ticket on NameCheap. And that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.